Okay, let's see. Let's go on. Can I do better than the last game? Okay. Can I? Right. Let's watch title players again. They're probably still playing for a moment. I've been told it's some other GM just now, by the way. It's not Kramnik, it's a name, what was the name? Ahapenku or something. I don't know if that's, I don't know. Okay. Let's go with E4. Morris Smith. An early F4. The F5 here, we'll just get the king a bit safer. I'll play bishop e3 and bishop g1 with this move actually, so they work together, bishop e3 and king h1. Like a jigsaw puzzle. Maybe b4, bishop e2, another option for the bishop. Queen e1, rook d1, or queen e2, rook d1, e1 or e2. e1, h4 is not that effectual. g3 though, g3, maybe knight d5 or something like that. So I think I want to get on the dark squares. g7. Two bishops pointing at king. What's this mouse doing? I hope it's still recording. I don't know, what was that? Getting wrenched over there. F5, E5. F5 to try and weaken D5. I'll lock out that diagonal for a moment. I have to do something. E5 advantageous. Maybe E5 is more logical to. I'll give E5 a shot actually. It gives me the E4 square for the knight. That's worth it, isn't it? To get E4 for the knight. Then Queen G3, then Knight F6, then try and extend the scope of this one. So it's activating both of these bishops somehow with a pawn break. So this has given me stuff. So Knight E3. Okay. Is Knight G5 possible here? Or Knight E4? Just exchange sack. Time. Accelerate my attack. Play Knight F6. Queen H4. So he takes AB Knight F6, King H8, Queen H4, take, dangerous. Just got rid of a defender of a soft spot here. Getting quite a bit of time now for Knight F6. So the two bishops are nice, the two knights are nice. Alright, is anything going to come of this? So Knight F6. Knight F6 here. The Queen H4 threatens. He's got knight e5. Knight e5. And he's on this. Bishop e5, bishop f6, queen h4, queen d8. Knight e5, bishop f6, rook f6, g takes, knight g4, e5. And he's on the bishop on b3. Right, play queen h4 here. Queen h6, maybe I just take it, or bishop c1 would stop. Queen b3, queen h4. It just takes on f6. So I don't know. How about bishop c2 for a moment? Right, queen h6 is it? Right, he leaves that knight there. Can I get a rook on the attack? Or not? There's no way of defending that. It's got rid of a key problem. Try and win that h6. Get a knight to g5 in if the rook moves off f8. Right. Is this at all dangerous? Exchange down without the queens. I'm hoping it is, because the bishop h6 and knight g5. If I get access to the g5 square here. But will he give that access? Rook g8 offering the exchange back? He probably wouldn't do that. Right now, bishop h6 and bishop g7 is looking interesting. I think I have to take here, otherwise this pawn runs away if he plays AB. Well, he's coming down to a minute. I don't know if he's been a bit panicky about h6. I'm hoping this is just the beginning of trouble, not the end of trouble for him. So rook g8, knight g5, he's just eliminated that. I can throw in a check to get the king on g8 and use the g file. Although rook a3 is going to be a nuisance. Bishop d1, rook a1, rook g1. Okay. Okay, I can play rook g5 here for rook h5. Try and get my king off. There's rook d2. Or king g2 first, just to get the king to h3. And then rook g5. I don't know. Rook a3 though. So rook g3, a check. Or there's rook d2 threatening rook a1. So let's just try and get the king over to h3 first. I've got bishop. I've got bishop d1. I want to play rook g5, rook h5. So even here, if I drop bishop, doesn't matter, does it? He's got knight f4 coming up. Right, bishop c2 here. Bishop e2. I don't know. I'm going to go into something horrible here. 24 seconds to finish me off. What about bishop e4? I can take that and take on d3. King g5 coming up. Oh, he's let me take that. So bishop h7, or f7. Yes. Oh, blimey! Oh, what a mucked up attack. Oh. Now I thought it was a goner actually after queen h6 when he defended like that. Knight f6 just plays cold-blooded queen e3 to h6. Defends that soft spot and is attacking b3 at the same time. And knight h7 and knight h7. That could be quite dangerous. I suppose if he takes her, there's a check. Bishop c1 here. And maybe queen moves bishop h6. Queen here. This queen's too powerful, isn't it? Coming from b6, doing all this damage. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.